Hi everyone, if you are running a locksmith business and are looking forward to generate leads online, then this video is just for you. We are going to discuss in detail a SEO case study wherein we helped one of our clients offering locksmith services to generate leads online. In this case, the client wanted to appear on top of Google for local results. For that, he had to appear on local map pack. Hence, we started off with promoting or optimizing his Google business profile. Proper optimization and promotion of Google business profile helped us to rank him on Google map pack. Once this was sorted out, we started working on local SEO, and the first step was to find out the most relevant key phrases which people were typing into Google to find services being offered by our client. Finding the right set of keywords for local SEO is very important. Once the keywords were finalized, we started working on the technical aspect of SEO. In this case, we worked on on-page SEO, fixed up the sitemap, fixed up the URLs, alt tags, title tags, descriptions, as well as the loading speed of the website. We also ensured that his website was visible the same way on mobile phones as on desktops. A lot of emphasis was done on blog postings to pitch the right content to the prospect users. And of course, backlinks for relevant niche-based websites were attained to push up the rankings in local search. Eventually, we were able to deliver better organic traffic. There was improvement in users, new users and sessions by almost 150%. Over a period of time, we were able to generate 320 plus leads for this client using local SEO only. In case you are running any similar business or especially locksmith business and are struggling to generate leads online, feel free to get in touch with us. We surely can help. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks once again.